My journey with Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia. Gardening has always been my passion, and nothing excites me more than discovering new plants to add to my collection. Recently, I came across a charming plant known as the Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia. Intrigued by its name and appearance, I decided to learn more about it, and eventually welcomed it into my garden. Here, I'll share my experience and insights about this delightful plant. The Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia, Deutzia X, NCDX2 Yuki cherry blossom, is a deciduous shrub known for its stunning springtime display. This plant features lovely pink flowers that resemble cherry blossoms, hence the name. It belongs to the hydrangea family and is native to Asia. The Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia is a compact plant, typically growing to about 1 to 2 feet tall and wide, making it an excellent choice for small gardens or as a border plant. Is Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia a perennial? Yes, the Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia is a perennial. This means that it lives for more than 2 years, and you can enjoy its beauty season after season without the need to replant it annually. This perennial nature makes it a low-maintenance option for gardeners who want reliable and long-lasting floral displays. When does Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia bloom? One of the most captivating aspects of the Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia is its blooming period. It typically blooms in late spring, around May or June, depending on your local climate. During this time, the plant is covered in clusters of delicate pink flowers, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The blooms usually last for several weeks, adding a touch of elegance and charm to any garden. How to care for Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia. Caring for Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia is relatively straightforward, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Here are some essential tips for keeping your Deutzia healthy and vibrant. Light. Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia thrives in full sun to partial shade. While it can tolerate some shade, for the best flowering results, it's ideal to plant it in a spot where it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Soil. This plant prefers well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. It's adaptable to various soil types, including clay, loam, and sandy soils. However, good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot and other issues. Watering. Regular watering is essential, especially during the first growing season, to help establish a strong root system. Once established, the Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia is relatively drought-tolerant, but it's best to water it during extended dry periods to keep it thriving. Pruning. Pruning is generally not required for Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia. However, if you wish to shape the plant or remove any dead or damaged branches, it's best to do so immediately after the blooming period. This ensures that you don't cut off any buds that will produce next year's flowers. How to propagate Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia. Propagating Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia can be a rewarding experience. The most common method is through softwood cuttings taken in late spring or early summer. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Select a healthy shoot. Choose a healthy, non-flowering shoot about 4 to 6 inches long. Prepare the cutting. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few at the top. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone to enhance root development. Plant the cutting. Insert the cutting into a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Water thoroughly and cover the pot with a plastic bag to maintain humidity. Provide care. Place the pot in a warm, bright location but out of direct sunlight. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Transplant. After a few weeks, the cutting should develop roots. Once it is well rooted, you can transplant it into your garden. What to plant with Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia. When planting your garden, it's important to consider companion plants that complement the Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia. Here are a few suggestions. Hostas. Their broad, lush foliage contrasts beautifully with the delicate flowers of the Deutzia. Ferns. The fine, feathery texture of ferns pairs well with the compact form of the Deutzia. Astilbes. These plants offer a similar bloom time and prefer similar growing conditions, making them great companions. Conclusion. My experience with the Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia has been incredibly rewarding. This plant not only adds a splash of color and beauty to my garden, but also requires minimal maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the Yuki cherry blossom Deutzia is a wonderful addition to any garden. Its perennial nature, stunning blooms, and ease of care make it a plant worth considering. Happy gardening!